Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Deividas. Today we're gonna deploy our front end to the Linux server. In last video what we did was we created MySQL database on our Linux server, and today we're gonna deploy this front end that we created in a couple of our last videos. It's gonna be React files, will be only front end. This right now I'm running from my own machine, from the computer right here, and hopefully if we will perform everything correctly, and probably we will not, it will be similar when we will enter the vpnhead.com and it will lead to our server. So first of all, let's close this down. First of all, we need to log in into the server. Let's use bash. Let's make letters bigger. So right now I'm gonna be logging in into my server. Okay, I'm in. Let me go to the folder which will contain our React files when we will copy them there. Let me see exactly the naming. It should be var www html. Yes. Okay, then let's delete everything from this directory. Interesting. Now of course we get weird errors, and that's the part of developer's life, to get weird errors. Okay, the ChatGPT says to delete with the sudo. Sudo is basically supervisor mode. Okay, so here lesson number 1 today. When deleting stuff, you put sudo first. That makes you a supervisor, and you can do much more than if you are a regular user. Although I am a supervisor, but I mean, before each probably command you need to use this sudo. Okay, so we cleaned our directory. Now let's copy our files. No, first of all, just in case, let's build files that we will send to the server. Here we go. I have npm run build. What it will do, it will compile or build all the files into special files, and those special files I'll be able, hopefully easy to copy to the server, and they will work fine. So let's do this build first. Now it's building. Okay, it looks like it built everything into dist folder. Dist is distribution, so this is the folder right here. Index HTML, white SVG, and then assets right here. Okay, so we made files ready for copying, and now let's copy them to let's copy them to the server. Okay, SCP. First of all, actually I'm inside this directory, so that should work. SCP -r, all the files, and then let's try this. Enter. Okay, looks promising. Okay, looks like it's copying everything into the cloud on my server, and let's test it. Hopefully it might work. vpn.com. Okay, it's not giving me any error. That means it has files, but there is some kind of those files are not accessible from inside. Okay, I might know what is happening here. I need to change the permission to those files. Let's try this. Okay. Okay, so I changed the permission of the files in assets folder. It's still not letting me do anything here. How about now? I'm changing more permission. Nope. Okay, welcome to the developer's life. So I'm using ChatGPT to see if there is a way to easily fix it. I'm using Apache server. Okay. First of all, it asks me to check these two file folders. Okay, everything looks good. So I'm feeding back the information. Okay, so I was right. The permissions are too restrictive. So this folder is not allowing to be accessed by index.html file. Okay, so this. Okay, this should allow me to access the folder. See, yes, so that solved the issue. Okay, so basically this short command is allowing me to access the folder assets. That folder of assets has all the style cascading style sheets and pictures and everything else, colors. So now I can access it, and now you can see this website is live on the web. It will not work fully because it's not connected to the database, as you can see right here. It gives, which is very good. It shows you loading articles. Maybe I should change the message to backend is not accessible or something to make more clear. But right now it cannot access the database or the backend because both are, well, database is here on my server, but the backend is not installed yet. Next video we will be installing the backend and we'll connect to the database. But how about this link? This link works fine. I don't like this icon here. I'll change it later, probably to this icon right here. Let's go to the next page. Okay, same issue here. It cannot access the database, but that's okay. Yeah, we changed the price yesterday to $2.19 per month. Was $1.99 per month for this beautiful VPN service. And then about, yep, about works fine. Okay, good. So we accomplished what we planned to accomplish. It was we had couple hoops to jump over, but we did. We fixed everything by using internet and our creativity. Thank you very much, and in next video we'll work with installing backend, which is Spring Boot. Thank you very much.